Hi students, good morning. Notations. S is equal to x square by a square minus y square by b square minus 1. S1 xx1 by a square minus yy1 by b square minus 1. S11 x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square minus 1. And S12 x1 x2 by a square plus y1 y2 by b square minus 1. Notations same as ellipse. So each and every formula in ellipse and hyperbola both are same, but only the difference is in place of b square put minus b square. Equation of tangent, equation of normal, condition for tangent, condition for normal, everything is same, but only thing is in place of b square you can put minus b square. So these are all notations. And first point, so equation of tangent at the point x1 comma y1 to the hyperbola s equal to 0 is s1 equal to 0. S1 equal to 0. Second point, only the difference is here, so this is the hyperbola. So if the point lies, the position of the point means what? If the point lies inside there S11, so this is the interior point, this is exterior, so okay. So P x1 comma y1, P x1 comma y1 lies on hyperbola s equal to 0, implies s11 is equal to 0. P lies outside the hyperbola s equal to 0, implies s11 is less than 0. So this is interior, inside, this is outside. So okay, the only difference is what? P lies outside, but in general circle or parabola or ellipse, the point lies outside, s11 is greater than 0. But here in this case what? So this is the point, s11 less than 0. P lies inside the hyperbola s equal to 0, implies s11 is greater than 0. And the equation of tangent is s1 equal to 0. Next point, the condition that the line y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent to the hyperbola s equal to 0 is c square equal to a square m square minus b square. In case of ellipse, that is plus b square, here minus b square. And the point of contact is minus a square m by c comma minus b square by c. That is the point of contact. So next point, the equation of tangent to the hyperbola s equal to 0 in slope form. Slope form is y is equal to mx plus or minus a root of a square m square minus b square. Next point, if m1 comma m2 are slopes of tangents, drawn from the point x1 comma y1 to the hyperbola s equal to 0, then m1 plus m2 equal to 2x1 y1 by x1 square minus a square, and m1 m2 is equal to y1 square minus b square by x1 square minus a square. This is in ellipse, but in case of hyperbola, this is called hyperbola. S equal to 0 means to hyperbola plus b square. So for each and everything there is a complete proof in ellipse. Once you go through that previous classes or previous videos or your notebook, just you have to refer your notebook, everything is clear. So I can give all these proofs also, but here only these are the points. m1 plus m2 equal to y1 square minus plus b square by x1 square minus a square. Next, director circle. What is the director circle? Locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents to a conic is called director circle. The director circle of the ellipse is x square plus y square equal to a square plus b square. In case of hyperbola, x square plus y square equal to a square minus b square. Next, director circle is x square plus y square equal to a square minus b square. If it exists only for if a is greater than b. Suppose for the hyperbola, x square by 4 minus y square by 9 equal to 1. So for this, director circle does not exist. Why? Because x square plus y square equal to a square minus b square is minus 5, which is not possible. Okay. And also the hyperbola does not cut y axis, only it cuts x axis only. Okay, a square minus b square. So this is the director circle. Next, to auxiliary circle. Equation of auxiliary circle is auxiliary circle of x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is x square plus y square equal to a square. Suppose the equation of auxiliary circle of x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to minus 1 is, means this is the conjugate hyperbola. Means hyperbola is like this. Is x square plus y square is equal to b square. If it is a conjugate hyperbola, b square. If it is a hyperbola, that is a square. Auxiliary circle. Next one, equation of normal at the point P at Px1 comma x1 comma y1 is equation of normal is a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 is equal to a square plus b square. In case of hyperbola, it is minus, this is also minus. So equation normal at the point to the next one. The condition that the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is a normal, is a first right tangent, is a tangent to the hyperbola S equal to 0 is a square L square minus b square m square equal to n square, and the point of contact is minus a square L by n comma b square m by n. This is the point of contact. I write down these points. Next point, the condition that the line Lx plus my plus n equal to 0 is a normal, to the hyperbola S equal to 0 is a square by L square minus b square by m square equal to a square plus b square whole square by n square. So this is the condition for normal. Next equation of pair of tangents. Pair of tangents S1 square is equal to S into S11. Next one, the equation of chord. Equation of chord having x1 comma y1 is its midpoint is S1 is equal to S11. The equation of chord of the hyperbola S equal to 0 having x1 comma y1 is its midpoint is S1 equal to S11. And also the product of perpendiculars from foci to any tangent is b square. The product of perpendiculars drawn from foci to any tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is b square. So all these points in ellipse we will discuss each and everything. So I gave the proofs also, but the only difference is So in place of b square, simply put minus b square. Next one, the equations of tangents to the hyperbola x square minus 4y square equal to 4, which are parallel and perpendicular to x plus 2y equal to 0 are. Equations of tangents. So this is hyperbola. Let this is some line. We are finding the equation of line which is parallel to this one. So this is the parallel equation. And this line becomes a tangent. So here x square by 4 minus y square by 1 equal to 1. Now the equation of line parallel to x plus 2y equal to 0 is x plus 2y plus k equal to 0. Call it 1. Now 1 is a tangent to the hyperbola. Since 1 is a tangent, implies condition for tangent a square l square minus b square m square is equal to n square. A square is 4, l is 1, b square is 1, m is 2, 2 square is 4 equal to k square. So k equal to 0. So the equation of tangent parallel to this is what? X plus 2y equal to 0, that is itself only. Implies equation is x plus 2y equal to 0. Next one, the equation of line perpendicular to x plus 2y equal to 0 is bx minus ay, 2x minus y plus k equal to 0. Plus k equal to 0. Perpendicular to this equation, bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. Since 2 is a tangent, again condition for tangent is what? Same. Implies a square l square minus b square m square is equal to n square. The condition. What a square is? This is 4. L square is 4. B square 1 and m square 1. M is 1 equal to k square. So this is a 16 minus 1 equal to k square. K is equal to plus or minus root 15. So the equations of tangents which are perpendicular to this one or 2x minus y plus or minus root 15 equal to 0. These are the tangents. Next one, tangents are drawn from the point from -2 comma -1 to the hyperbola hyperbola 2x square minus 3y square is equal to 6. Then find their equations. Find their equations. Tangents are drawn from the point. So this is x square by 3 minus y square by 2 is equal to 1. Equal to 1. So equation of tangent to the hyperbola in slope form, y is equal to emx plus or minus root of a square m square minus b square, that is equal to emx plus or minus root of a square 3m square minus 2. It passes through the point -2 comma -1 is equal to minus 2m plus or minus root of 3m square minus 2. You take this side 2m minus 1 and squaring on both sides is equal to 3m square minus 2. Take this side and squaring on both sides. So this is 4m square minus 4m plus 1. Take this side 3m square plus 2 equal to 0. So this is m square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. M square minus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. So by factorizing m plus m minus 3 into m minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore m is equal to 1 comma 3. 1 comma 3. In place of m, write 1 comma 3. They are the equations. Or, so the point is what? Point -2 comma -1. If m is equal to 1, then you get one equation. Then what is equation of tangent? equation is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is one equation. If m is equal to 3, if m equal to 3 and the point is minus 2 minus 1, again equation of tangent y minus y1 m into x minus x1. So 3x plus 6 equal to y plus 1. 3x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. So these are the equations of tangents. Next one, the locus of midpoints of chords of hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1, which passes through the positive end of transverse axis. Which passes through the vertex, means positive means what? Which passes through the vertex. Which passes through the vertex. Which passes through vertex or a comma 0. Here let x1 comma y1, so this is vertex a comma 0. Here let x1 comma y1 is the midpoint of chord. So equation of chord is S1 is equal to S11. It passes through a comma 0. Here let x1 comma y1 be the midpoint of chord. Implies equation of chord is S1 is equal to S11, where S1 is, that is xx1 by a square x x1 by a square minus y1 by b square minus 1 is equal to x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square minus 1. So these two gets cancelled. It passes through the vertex a comma 0. It passes through vertex a comma 0. So in place of x and y, not x1 by 1, in place of x and y, write a comma 0. So this is ax1 by a minus 0 equal to x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square. So this is a cancel. Therefore, the locus of x1 comma y1 is x square by a square minus y square by b square. You write that side minus x by a is equal to 0. So for some questions it is given the locus of midpoints of chords of the hyperbola which passes through the foot of directrix. Foot of directrix means what? So this is here directrix. This is the point a by e comma which passes through a by e comma 0. So the locus of midpoints of chords of the hyperbola which passes through the foot of directrix means a by e comma 0. Sometimes the locus of midpoints of chords of the hyperbola which passes through focus, that is a e comma 0. So same process, all problems. It passes through a by e comma 0, you get the locus. Passes through a e comma 0, you get the locus. Passes through one end of a lattice rectum, one end of lattice rectum. That means what? Passes through end of lattice rectum. A e comma b square by a. So all models are same. Next one, the locus of midpoints of chords of the hyperbola which subtends a right angle at its center. At its center is the locus of midpoints of chords of the hyperbola which subtends a right angle at its center. See here, this is the hyperbola. Center, this is center, 0 comma 0. Suppose this is the chord. Let x1 y1 be the midpoint of chord. This chord makes an angle 90 degrees. Means we have to find the combined equation of the pair of lines O, A, B. Means by homogenizing the hyperbola equation with the help of this chord. Now we get a combined equation of pair of lines OA and OB. Since the pair of lines are at right angles, therefore coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0, then we get the locus. Here let x1 comma y1 be the midpoint. Implies equation of chord is S1 is equal to S11. S1 is, this is xx1 by a square minus yy1 by b square minus 1, that side minus 1 gets cancelled, is equal to x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square. Minus 1 cancel. Okay, this you have to write xx1 by a square minus yy1 by b square by x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square is equal to 1 form. So in first year we did more number of problems. Homogenization. What is homogenization? 2x plus 3y, suppose plus 4 equal to 0. The line write 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 4 or by minus 4 is equal to 1, like this. So same way I can reduce that form. Now this chord makes an angle 90 degrees at its center. Center means center of the hyperbola is what? 0, 0. So by homogenizing, okay, by homogenizing ellipse equation with the help of this straight line equation. Homogenization is what? x square by a square minus y square by b square minus 1 square is equal to 0. Actually 2gx into 1, there is no x term. 2fy into 1, there is no y term. Plus c into 1 square. C is what? 1. So 1 into, that is the meaning, 1 square. Where 1, you write this one. That is equal to x square by a square minus y square by b square minus, so this one, this is x1 by a square minus y1 by b square whole square by this square whole square by x square by a square minus y square by b square whole square is equal to 0. Okay, by homogenization. Just write down. So by taking LCM, this is x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square whole square into x square by a square minus y square by b square minus of x1 by a square minus y1 by b square whole square is equal to 0. So this is the combined equation of the pair of lines. Since angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees, that means what? The chord subtends an angle 90 degrees. So this is A, this is B, this is O, 0, 0. Means the pair of lines are perpendicular. So implies, what is the condition is what? Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square is equal to 0. Now we have to write the coefficients. What is the coefficient of x square? X square by a square into this one. So I can write the coefficient of x square is 1 by a square. 1 by a square into whole thing. This is x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square. And next one, and this one is x square x1 square by a power 4. X square x1 square by a power 4. Coefficient of x square is minus x1 square by a power 4. x1 square by a power 4. This is the coefficient of next plus coefficient of y square. So this is into this. That is what? Minus. Minus is, this is 1 by b square, minus 1 by b square into this. Minus 1 by b square into, this is x1 square by a square minus y1 square by b square whole square. Okay, and now a square plus b square. B square is y1 square, y1 square, y square, b power 4. Y square coefficient is what? Y square by b power 4 minus. This becomes a square plus b square. So it is minus. Minus y1 square by b power 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is coefficient of x square and it is coefficient of y square equal to 0. Now these two x1 square by a square minus, I think it is whole square, y1 square by b square is whole square is taking common. This is 1 by, so this is a square minus 1 by b square is equal to, you can write that side, x1 square by a power 4 plus y1 square by b power 4. Therefore, the locus is locus. So in place of x1 comma y1, write x comma y. Therefore, the locus is x square by a square minus y square by b square whole square into 1 by a square minus 1 by b square is equal to x square by a power 4 plus y square by b power 4. Okay, right on. Thank you.